So that was 23rd of March. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, office holiday, and we had a plan to shift our AC to the other flat that we are about to move in. And see here what we found. A newborn baby birdie sitting at the corner, seems to be extremely fearful, frightened, waiting for the mama birdie to come and rescue her. The scene itself has a story to tell. So there we have the mother. Feel very worried, and I am going to tell why she is worried. Okay. So here we are removing the AC and we are in that the baby. So here we are going to rescue the baby and hand it over safely to the mother. She's sitting over there since last 15 minutes. And yeah, let's see.
24 hours later.
Finally, we get the excess ample space to get the baby into the box. We have rescued this tiny little birdie. The mother is waiting there since. So there we have rescued the little baby. Fearful must be, and I'm thinking about that mother birdie. Since last more than half an hour she's sitting over there. Each and every moment would be a nightmare for a mother. I'm not showing here that I'm an animal lover or something like that, but I'm much more worried about the feelings, emotion of a mother, be it human being or an animal or a bird. So that's the best thing, how I can communicate to that mother that your baby is safe. So only 5 more minutes, our job will be over, then we are going to shift total box on top of this place. And there comes the moment when the mother is going to meet the baby. We are going to hand it over. We are going to keep it on the shelf. Very good.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
tell me, what do you think about the rescue?
We should rescue animals like this. We should take care of small babies of animals, and we should hand over them to their parents so that they will be also happy like us.
So I think she can better understand the emotion of a mother.
Because yes, I am a mother. Mother can understand the feelings of mother.
Some of the heart-touching moments captured through my lens.